Listen, I'm about to save you years of wasting time and thousands of dollars by showing you exactly what actually works to make money online. Not the BS you see everywhere else, not doing some complicated dropshipping setup that's gonna take you 6 months to make your first dollar, and most of it won't even be profit. Look, I spent years figuring this out the hard way, testing everything, losing thousands of dollars, wasting time and money on opportunities that looked good on paper but went nowhere. But once I cracked the code on this, I started making thousands of dollars a day in profit while I was still in my early 20s. I'm not saying this to brag, it's useless. I'm saying this because I want you to understand this actually works when you do it right. And the crazy part is, it's so much simpler than what everyone else is teaching. You don't need a huge team. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need to deal with inventory or shipping or any of that nightmare. You just need to understand one core principle that separates people making real money from people stuck making pennies. Here's the thing that nobody's telling you. The fastest way to make money online has nothing to do with how hard you work. It's got nothing to do with how many hours a day you're grinding. I know people who work 16 hours a day and barely make enough to survive. And I know people who work 4 hours a day and make more in a month than most people make in a year. What's the difference? It's not effort. It's not intelligence. It's the opportunity you choose. Most people jump into physical product businesses because that's what everybody else teaches. Dropshipping, Amazon FBA, print on demand, all that stuff. And listen, can you make money with those models? Sure you can. But here's what they don't tell you in those YouTube ads. Physical product businesses are insanely hard. You're dealing with suppliers, manufacturers, shipping delays, customer service nightmares, refunds, chargebacks, inventory management. It's like juggling 10 balls at once while someone's throwing more at you. And after all that chaos, after all those moving parts, you know what your profit margin is? 5 to 20%. You're doing all that work for nickels and dimes. Let me break down the math for you so you can see how ridiculous this is. Let's say you're selling a physical product for $49. It sounds decent, right? After your cost of goods, after your advertising, after your fulfillment, you're lucky if you're keeping $7 to $10 per sale. So to make $10,000 in profit, you need to sell over 1,000 units. It's 1,000 separate transactions, 1,000 separate chances for something to go wrong, 1,000 customers asking where their package is. Does that sound like the fastest, easiest way to make money to you? Because sure as hell doesn't to me. Now let me show you the complete opposite approach. Instead of selling cheap physical products with razor-thin margins, you sell high-ticket consulting or services. I'm talking $1,000 to $10,000 plus per client. You're selling your knowledge, your expertise, your time. You're solving real problems for people who are desperate for solutions and willing to pay premium prices. No inventory, no shipping, no suppliers, no nightmare logistics. Just you helping someone get a result they want and getting paid extremely well for it. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Let's run the same math but with high ticket. Let's say you're selling a $3,500 consulting package or service. To make $10,000 in profit, you need 3 clients. 3, not 1,000. You could literally get 3 clients in a week, even in a day if you know what you're doing. And the work you do for these 3 clients is way less stressful than managing 1,000 physical product orders. You're working with people who actually value what you do, who are invested in getting results, who treat you like the expert you are instead of some random seller on the internet. Here's some examples so you can see this is real. Let's say you know how to run Facebook ads. You could sell a Facebook ads management service for $2,000 to $5,000 a month. Or maybe you're good at copywriting. You could charge $1,500 to $3,000 to write sales pages for businesses. You know about fitness and nutrition? Sell a 12-week transformation coaching program for $2,000. You understand social media growth? Charge businesses $3,000 to $7,000 to manage their content and growth strategy. The opportunities are literally endless once you understand this model. And this works for both business to consumer and business to business. For regular people, consumers, you can sell coaching, consulting in health, relationships, career development, personal finance, pretty much any transformation they could possibly want. For businesses, you can sell marketing services, operations consulting, sales training, tech solutions, anything that helps them to make more money or save time. The price ranges are usually $1,000 to $5,000 for consumer offers. It can be a bit more though, and $4,000 to $20,000 plus for business offers. The key is you're selling something high ticket, not $97, not $200, real money. Because here's what happens when you sell high ticket. Everything gets easier. You need fewer clients. You can spend more time with each client and actually get them incredible results. So they give you awesome testimonials, meaning more people trust you and buy. You can afford to spend more on advertising because your customer lifetime value is massive. You build a real business, not some volume game where you're just churning through transactions. Now let me tell you the fastest way to actually get these high-ticket clients. Direct outreach and paid ads. You can post content as well, but it's slower because when you post a video, you have no way of predicting how many views it's going to get. Direct outreach is where you literally reach out to potential clients directly. You can find them on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, wherever your ideal client hangs out, and you start conversations. You're not spamming them your pitches. You're starting actual human conversations, building a relationship, and understanding their problems. And naturally, you present your offer when and if it makes sense. This costs you $0, just a bit of your time and some effort. The best part about outreach is that you can start today, like right now for free. You don't need a website, you don't need a fancy funnel, and you don't need a big email list. You just need to know who your ideal client is and where to find them. Then you send direct messages, start conversations, book some calls, and close some deals. I've seen people go from $0 to $5,000 in a week of doing outreach only, and they spend $0. It's not sexy, it's not passive, it's boring as hell, but it works immediately if you actually do it. The other method is paid ads. That can be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, whatever platform your clients are on. Ads are incredible because you can literally buy clients on demand as long as you can do it profitably. If you know how to spend $500 on ads to get a $3,000 client, you just keep scaling that up. Spend $5,000 to make $30,000. Spend $10,000 to make $60,000. It's pure math at this point. Now, I have to be honest with you, it's not always linear like that. Ads tend to get more expensive as you scale up. The only downside with ads is that they cost money up front to test and to learn. You need some budget to figure out what works, at least a few $1,000s. But once you dial in your ads, once you find that winning campaign, you've basically got yourself a money printer. You can scale past $10,000 a month, $50,000 a month, even $100,000 a month just by increasing your ad spend. That's why ads are the ultimate tool for scaling. But if you're just starting out and you don't have money for ads, just do outreach. Get your first few clients, make some money, then reinvest into ads. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, here's the long-term strategy that's going to take you to 6 figures and beyond with minimal time and effort on your part. You combine everything I just told you with content. Specifically, pick one social media platform and go all in on posting content consistently. My number one recommendation is YouTube. Why YouTube? Because long-form content builds trust faster than anything else. When someone watches a 10-minute video of you teaching something valuable, they feel like they know you, they trust you, they see you as the expert. And when they're ready to buy, guess who they think of? You. Short-form content like TikTok and Instagram Reels can work, but the trust building is slower because the videos are so short. YouTube lets you go deep, show your personality, show your expertise, and build a real connection with your audience. Plus, YouTube is also a search engine, which means your videos keep working for you months and years well after you post them. It's the ultimate long-term asset. And YouTube is testing out a new DM feature. For now, it's only in Poland and another country, but when they roll this out, if they do, it's gonna be a game changer for making sales. If you want to get high-ticket clients quickly, do this. Post consistent content on YouTube to build your audience and authority. Do direct outreach to get clients immediately while your content is growing your audience. And then you run paid ads to scale once you've got a proven offer and messaging that works, meaning you've gotten a few customers already. When you combine all three of these together, getting to $100,000 a year becomes almost inevitable. You're not relying on one traffic source. You're building a real sustainable business. And the best part about this model, high-ticket consulting, is that you get to do what you love. You're not stuck managing inventory or dealing with suppliers in China. You're sharing your knowledge, your passion, your expertise with people who need it. You're making a real impact in people's lives while making great money. That's the dream, right? To make money doing something you actually care about, something that matters, something that feels good. So here's your action plan. First, decide what high-ticket offer you're gonna sell. What problem can you solve for people? What transformation can you help them achieve? Pick something you actually know about or something you're willing to learn deeply. Second, start doing outreach today. Find 10 potential clients and start conversations. Third, plan out your content strategy. What platform are you gonna focus on? What topics are you gonna cover? And fourth, once you get some traction and make some money, test paid ads to scale. This is by far the fastest way to make real money online. You don't need a massive team or huge upfront investment. Just you, a high-ticket offer, and the willingness to put yourself out there and sell it. Stop wasting time on low-margin physical products. Stop chasing the slow, complicated paths. Do this instead, and you'll thank me in 6 to 12 months when you're making more money than you ever thought possible. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.